fly, how short is life? I dreamt we had more than 20.
For the last year, my family has been preparing for a life-changing move from Colorado back to North Carolina. I closed my bike shop, started a new job, making videos full-time, and we have been purging and packing for months. In late May, it came time for me to pack up all of our bikes. So I took a couple of hours for one last bike ride in Denver, Colorado. I headed to my favorite slice of solitude, the Sand Creek Greenway. The Sand Creek was probably my most traveled bike route over the 8 years of living in Colorado. From the times I would ride 40 miles each way to work at Perlizumi in Louisville, to date night e-bike rides with my wife coming home in the dark, and the dozens of Kittical, Mass family bike rides that used this path as a safe place to ride for families of all ages.
Then lay me in the ocean. Why, lullabies, I've used my time. Now lend me to the ocean. Sing my songs when I'm gone.
I spent the bike ride reflecting on our 8 years and how my time in the epic state had changed me. I had no earth-shattering takeaways other than how isolating the experience had been at times. I definitely was dealing with seasonal depression, the long winters, and how hard it can be to find good friends once you have kids. Overall, I knew I would miss the bike paths and being a car-light family, but I was eager to get to North Carolina with green grass, rain, and a slower pace in life. I turned around on the western end of the Sand Creek Greenway where the path meets the Platte River. As the highway rumbled behind me and the river below me, I took in the mountain view, the perfect bike paths, and the last days of what Colorado life provided us. As one chapter ends, another one begins. To Colorado and my dear friends, thank you for this chapter, and I hope you'll meet us in the next one.